They're about to go on a mini tour of the north of England. They have an EP out that's going to cost you £2, and their wonderful t-shirts £7. They'll be coming out amongst you later on to sell their merchandise. So, with their catchy riffs, rumbling bass,